What's up, everybody? Spidey Fan Reviews here, bringing you a comic book review. Green Lantern number 12. This is my comic of the week for this week. I absolutely love this issue. A lot of great books came out this week, like Daredevil, the Rorschach, Spider-Man, Avengers vs. X-Men, and Kid Flash, DC Universe Presents. But this was my favorite. Love this. This was fantastic. Just there's gonna be some spoilers, but really cool. Hal Jordan and Sinestro appear in Black Hand's kitchen. He brings up some zombies. They have to use the Sinestro's Yellow Lantern to take him out. And then, like, by the end, their rings are out of batteries. Their power levels are 0%. And the Book of the Black tells Black Hand Hal Jordan will be the greatest Black Lantern. In order to be a Black Lantern, obviously you have to die, so they're gonna kill Black Lantern. And it's been said that in the next issue, the annual one, a Green Lantern will die. That's unfortunate. Hal Jordan's my favorite DC superhero. I hope they don't kill him, but if we get a cool story out of it, then you never know. So the Third Army is gonna rise. Anyways, fantastic book. Love this book. I could see no flaws with it. Have to give this a 5 out of 5. The shocking ending, the awesome action, just everything. It was fantastic. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments below about Green Lantern number 12. Spidey Fan Reviews signing off. Peace.